Morning everyone, welcome to Situs Warung Botol, one of the historical treasure in Yogyakarta. My name is Dita and today I will be your tour guide. I am very happy to accompany you during this tour. Before we begin, please take a look around you. You can see the ancient walls, pools and beautiful architecture that make this place very unique. Although Warung Botol is not as famous as Borobudur or Taman Sari, this site has an interesting story and important cultural value. Now, let's start our tour. Situs Warung Botol is also known as Pesanggerahan Rejowinangun. The word Pesanggerahan means a resting place for the royal family. This site was built during the 18th century in the era of the Yogyakarta Sultanate. The construction began during the reign of Sultan Hamengkubuwono I, the founder of the Yogyakarta Sultanate, and was later continued by Sultan Hamengkubuwono II, who was still called Pangeran Radjokusumo at that time. In the past, this place functioned as a royal retreat where a sultan and royal family come to rest and relax. This place was also used as a bathing complex for the royal family.
Why did the Sultan build this place outside the palace?
That's a very good question. The Sultan built this place outside the palace because the atmosphere here was peaceful and quiet. It was a perfect place for the royal family to relax away from palace activities. In addition, this area had a natural spring that provided fresh water for the pools. Besides being a resting place, Warung Botol was also believed to be part of the eastern defense system of the Yogyakarta Palace because of its strategic location near the Gajah Wong River. Now, let's talk about the architecture of this site. Many people compare Warung Botol to Taman Sari Water Castle because the design is very similar. As you can see, the complex has large pool, thick walls, stairways, and beautiful arch. The architecture combines the traditional Javanese style with European influence, especially Portuguese architecture. The symmetrical design and artistic style show the beauty of royal architecture during the period. The pools here originally filled with water from a natural spring. In Javanese cultural, water symbolizes purity and space, so places with natural water sources were considered very important.
Are the pools still used today?
No, today the pools are no longer used for bathing. The natural spring no longer flows as it did in the past. Nowadays, Warung Botol functions as a historical tourism destination and cultural heritage site. Many visitors come here to enjoy the historical atmosphere and take photographs because architecture is very aesthetic and photographic.
Why is this place popular for photography?
Because the architecture is very unique and artistic. The ancient walls, classic arches, and vintage atmosphere create beautiful background for photos. Many tourists, photographers, and even couples come here for photo shoot and social media content. Unfortunately, the site was heavily damaged during the earthquake that struck Yogyakarta in 2006. Many parts of the building collapsed and were destroyed. After the earthquake, the government and cultural heritage organization worked together to restore the site. The restoration process took several years, from 2009 until 2016. Thanks to those restoration efforts, today we can still enjoy the beauty and historical value of Warung Botol. Alright everyone, that is the history and uniqueness of Situs Warung Botol. I hope this tour helped you understand more about the culture and history of Yogyakarta. Please enjoy your time here, explore area, and feel free to take picture. But remember, let's help preserve the historical site by keeping it clean and respecting the building. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a wonderful time at Situs Warung Botol and enjoy your trip in Yogyakarta.